heading out into the open ocean. We might get a little bit of wind later on. Probably put the fish poles in the water so we can catch anything, and we'll have a lot of fun. As you can see right now, Max is on the helm. Max, can you wave to the camera? He's doing a fantastic job. How you like driving the boat?
It's good.
Which way is port? Where is he pointing? Nice. Which way is starboard? Nice. Which way is straight? He's got it. Off the coast now, San Diego, you probably see in the background. Got 3 lines in the water, just trolling, basically trolling 2 squid daisy chains, then 1 cedar plug out shotgun. The water's a little chilly, so I'm not sure if we're going to pick up anything. We'll see. Just run it for a while, hopefully the wind picks up, and then we can get a sail. Let's see, right now the wind's at 7 knots, kind of behind us, so we'll see what happens with that. But here, let me just show you quickly what it looks like out here. So we're moving pretty good right now. Wind's picked up. We are at, let's see, 12 knots of wind. True wind speed, boat speed 6.6, SOG 6.4. So see, we are actually moving. There's Coronado Islands there in the distance. We're on a really good beam reach right now. Boat's got a slight heel. We are having fun.
You didn't recognize Beagle's song.
What is a beagle?
Beatles.
Oh yeah.
Too much champagne in my head.
Oh yeah. Something in your head.
Beagle. Beatles, Beatles. While my guitar gently whips. Beatles.
Hit a little school of bonitas right here. Tosh is on. What do you got? Anything? Oh, you lost it. All right, we got one on my rod at least. That's a nice little school. Jack, can you hold the rod, please? And I'll slowly bring it up so everybody can see it.
It's quite heavy.
What is this? There we go. That's not bad. We'll toss them back, but hey, it's been selling a long time and haven't got any hookups. We just got a bunch of hits. Leave those kids alone. Haha. Awesome sailing today. We're at 15, 16 knot winds. Boat's averaging 6.5 to 7 knots. We just had a triple hookup and got one in, lost 2, and then had a hookup again, lost that one. But anyway, smaller bonita, school, but still fun, unexpected. When the weather is, at least the water's a little cooler. And yeah, we're almost back to downtown. So how's the sail been for you, Tosh?
Fantastic.
Oh. On our way in, it was a great day sailing. We We got up to, I think we're up to 16 knot winds, boat speed. I think we're up around 7.4, 7.5. Had a triple hookup, Bonita. That was the only hit we had. Brought in one of them. Other than that, been fantastic. Great day, beautiful weather. You can see sunny skies. Overall, just incredible.